that feeling right before you try something new? There's a mix of excitement, maybe a little nervous energy too. Sometimes the biggest adventures aren't far from home. They're just the ones we haven't said yes to yet.
Here on the Eastern Shore, there are plenty of ways to step outside your comfort zone without ever leaving your own backyard. DelmarvaLife's James McDonald takes us to Cambridge, where one community event is helping people discover something new and maybe even a newfound passion in the process.
The Eastern Shore is surrounded by water, wildlife, and so much wide open space. But even here, not everyone has explored the full range of outdoor activities.
Outdoor recreation is a huge part of our culture and our statewide economy, and each region has its unique opportunities for outdoor recreation. Here on the Eastern Shore, a lot of people think of hunting, fishing, boating as prominent forms of recreation. But there's a lot you can do, a lot with biking, a lot of unique types of hunting like Sika deer hunting, crabbing.
Since moving to the Eastern Shore, outdoor recreation specialist Emily Morrow has embraced all it has to offer.
I am a huge fan of kayaking. I kayak as often as I can. I absolutely love it. And I'm actually gonna get into fly fishing this year. I'm taking a class, so I'm very excited about that.
Local partners like Emily are working with the Packing House in Cambridge to bring a hands-on outdoor expo to the community.
So we were approached by Amanda from the Packing House about doing an outdoor expo at this space. And our office is always looking to find ways to encourage folks to get outdoors, work with local communities and local businesses, and just highlight opportunities for outdoor recreations.
The expo is designed for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned outdoor expert.
We really want it to be an event that someone who has never really spent time in nature or outside, never gone fishing or hunting, can come and gain some new knowledge, some new skills so that they feel prepared to go try something new. But we also want experienced recreationists to feel like they can come and connect with potential vendors that they might want to work with.
Hands-on workshops will teach you everything you need to know about the great outdoors.
We're going to have workshops on beginning to hunt, foraging, bird watching, fishing and fly fishing, intro to camping, cooking wild game. And people will have a chance to practice casting fishing rods. We have this backyard bass, which is a really fun game for kids where they can test it in a low stakes environment. They'll be able to try local flavors. We'll have oysters and catfish and things like that.
The event also brings together local businesses, state agencies, and nonprofits.
Just as important as it is for them to connect with the public, it's really important for these different agencies and businesses and community organizations to connect with each other. A lot of us have missions that are really aligned, and so it's good to provide a space where we're able to kind of show off what each other can do and network, and then also share what resources we have with the public.
Explore the Shore takes place at the Packing House, a historic building originally built in the 1920s by the Cambridge Furniture Company and expanded by Phillips Packing Company, which rivaled other major food companies of that era.
And so it's really significant for the city of Cambridge and for actually the entire Eastern Shore, and it employed thousands of people.
Today, the former factory operates a vibrant community space for events, offices, and public gatherings.
In February, it's often a dead time of year, and so we wanted to provide an on-ramp for people, number one, to just have a good time and enjoy themselves, but if they're curious about how to start with outdoor exploration, just guiding them in a simple way to be able to enjoy that.
Merge Community Manager Amanda Fenstermaker says support from the Department of Natural Resources, Blackwater National Wildlife Refuge, and Dorchester County Tourism have helped bring the idea to life.
I think it's been something that people have known that we need, and so when we kind of stepped into the gap there to offer that and to curate that, pulling the vendors together it's a no-brainer for people to want to be involved in it.
Whether you've been here forever or just arrived, Explore the Shore invites you to discover something new, right in your own backyard.
For experienced hunters and recreationists, Jessica says that Explore the Shore will also be having a bear, bucks, and stag scoring event that day. They are doing official Pope and Crockett scoring, and folks can bring in their mounts and get them scored for the Maryland record books. To learn more about the Explore the Shore event and get your tickets today, visit our website and click on What's Happening Today.
I'm assuming you get your bears from the western part of Maryland.
Probably, yeah.
But I mean, that sounds like a wonderful event.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. A lot of
Yeah,
neat things.
So beautiful in Dorchester County.